Ever wondered how to control pests in your garden naturally? Let's unravel the mystery together. We're about to explore 10 plants that can help keep your garden pest-free, without the use of harsh chemicals. First on our list are marigolds. Known for their vibrant colors and strong scent, they're not just a pretty face. Marigolds are a natural deterrent for many pests, making them a must-have in any garden. Second, we have chrysanthemums. These beautiful flowers contain pyrethrin, a natural insecticide. From bedbugs to roaches, chrysanthemums help keep a wide range of pests at bay. Thirdly, there's the fragrant petunia. This flower's scent is a natural repellent for aphids, tomato hornworms, squash bugs, and some beetles. Next in line are alliums. These include onions, garlic, and chives, all known for their strong scent. This scent is disliked by pests such as cabbage worms, aphids, carrot flies, and slugs, helping to keep your garden pest-free. Lavender, our fifth plant, is a favorite for its calming fragrance. But did you know it's also a natural repellent for moths, fleas, flies, and mosquitoes? Sixth on our list is basil. This culinary herb is not just for adding flavor to your dishes, it also keeps mosquitoes and flies away from your garden. Mint, our seventh plant, is a powerful natural mosquito repellent. Its strong scent keeps these bloodsuckers at bay. Our eighth plant is citronella grass. Known for its oil, which is frequently used in insect repellent products, this plant naturally deters mosquitoes and other flying insects. Ninth, we have lemongrass. Similar to citronella grass, lemongrass also contains citronella oil, which is effective at repelling mosquitoes. And finally, the 10th plant on our list is dill. This herb helps deter cabbage moths and spider mites, two common garden pests. In summary, by strategically planting marigolds, chrysanthemums, petunias, alliums, lavender, basil, mint, citronella grass, lemongrass, and dill in your garden, you can create a natural and effective pest control system. This way, you can avoid the use of harsh chemicals and keep your garden safe and healthy. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening gardening tips and tricks. Keep those thumbs green.